Sustainable design in Malmo, Sweden. Malmo is located in the southernmost part of Sweden, and it is the third most populous city after Stockholm and Gothenburg. It is also one of Sweden's official three recognized metropolitan areas, and it is one of the earliest and most industrialized cities of Scandinavia. Malmo is a compact city facilitating provision of collective services, including transport and bicycle pathways, while simultaneously incorporating mixed-use planning and green space, creating favorable conditions for sustainable urban development. The municipality of Malmo has set the goal of becoming one of the most sustainable cities in the world without stop being attractive for the tourist, particularly related to three pillars of sustainability: social, economic, and ecological sustainability. They have found a way of establish partnerships with several private companies to develop environmental building programs across the city. One of these programs is the Malmo's New Neighborhoods, which is a response to the high population growth that this city has lived in the last 20 years, with an increase of 5,000 inhabitants. To accommodate the rapid population growth in Malmo, target expansion are planned in particular neighborhoods in order to densify specific districts of the city. One of the most important districts of Malmo is Western Harbor because of the way of which they have integrated environment and energy urban planning. Flaghusen is the second large-scale urban development in the district, and it is because it takes matters in environment, energy, and quality aspirations, breaking the barriers of unaffordability that surrounds this subject, demonstrating that sustainable construction doesn't have to be expensive. In general, the city is looking forward to an inner expansion, densifying the existing urban areas and protecting agricultural regions like Skane, which contains some of the most fertile land in whole Europe. Malmo City has developed a series of different projects covering the different topics of sustainability, but one of the most important of all is the ambitious target for its municipal departments to be climate neutral by 2020 via a two-part process, investing in renewable energy and energy efficiency. In 2030, all of Malmo should be powered by renewable energy. In order to do so, they have designed different actions. For example, Lillgrund. Lillgrund Wind Park is situated 10 kilometers off the southern coast of Malmo, in the Öresund. Lillgrund is Sweden's largest investment in wind, and to date, the third largest offshore installation in the world. The park produces 0.33 terawatts of electricity a year, and consists of 48 windmills producing 2.3 megawatts of energy. Solar cells in Sech Park. Sech Park in Malmo, completed in 2007, features the largest photovoltaic plant in Sweden, with 1,250 square meters of solar and peak power of 166 kilowatts. It is planned that this neighborhood, featuring a former hospital, will become a sustainable city district. Biogas. The city of Malmo and the energy provider E.ON are working together to advance biogas as an energy source. Cholundan treatment plant has been renovated to produce biogas from collected waste. E.ON plans to establish one of the world's largest biogas plants in Malmo's harbor, producing 300 gigawatts of energy. Besides all that, the municipality of Malmo has designed a 410-kilometer bicycle path to encourage people to reduce the use of cars for travels within the city, and they also have a campaign that says "No ridiculous car trips in Malmo." This way of transport has such an importance for the city planners that the traffic lights change in order to benefit the cyclists. But the most important part of this huge sustainable development for Malmo is the different educational projects that make the people understand how to live a sustainable life and why it is so important. Nowadays, Malmo is the fourth greenest city in the world, according to the American environmental magazine GRIS.